Hi, I'm Mazid, and today's video we are looking for the quick video compositing tutorial using Blackmagic Design Fusion Studio. I'm using here Fusion Studio standalone version, but if you want you can use Davinci Resolve as well. So without any further delay, I'm going to start with the Fusion and I'm going to import this video, my background video, into the Fusion. This video I have recorded from my house terrace, and make it to view on the screen here, make it fit and set the frames 400. I'm going to use a planar tracker here, but if you want you can use 3D camera tracking, it doesn't matter, but for now here I'm going to use the planar tracker and make some settings. For example, the tracker change about a knot point should be hybrid point because it is more accurate than the point, and the motion type should be translation, rotation and scale, because we are going to record the movement or the because this video is a handheld, so we are going to record the movement and later on we can use for the sky replacement or something like that. Okay, so after make some settings, we have to draw the area which we want to track. Okay, I'm going to track from here up to this area. Okay, and now I will hit to track this, but I'm going to skip this part because it will take some time. Okay, so the tracking has been successfully done here, and now we'll go for the further steps. So first of all, because I want to replace this sky, so for now I'm going to separate this planar tracker node from here, and now I will connect here Luma keyer node. As you know, that Luma keyer removed the luminance value from the video. Okay, and this is a great node to replace the sky. For any situation, it doesn't matter, but as you can see here, it is replacing more than the darker area than the brighter. So what I'm going to do here, I'm clicking on invert, and now it will leaving this the blink kind of area, and it is focusing to remove this sky kind of things. But as you can see, our building is and my terrace is also somehow transparent. So for that, to fix that, I'm also using here the polygon mask, but because we have the planar tracker here, we can use the create planar transform here, and this transform node can connect with a polygon mask. So I'm going to connect here the polygon mask here, and I'm going to make a mask here, a simple mask for this video. Okay, so I'm also skipping this part. So okay, I have been created here a rough mask, and this mask I'm going to apply for the foreground. And I'm first of all, because this polygon mask I want to track with the video, and as you can see just now I'm going to play this video, and as you can see the video is going and down somehow because it's a handheld video, and my mask is already stuck there at the first frame. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to connect this polygon mask to the planar tracker, and now our mask and the video together, they will move. Okay, and this video I'm going to copy from here, this video node, and make it paste here. Okay, and now I will connect this transform node to the video as a mask, effect mask. Okay, and now as you can see, our mask out the video is nicely looking nicely, but I have been mask out these things like roughly. Okay, so now when we're going to play this video, and it will look like that mask is also moving with our video. Okay, and that's a great thing here because of the planar tracker transform node, and that's great here. And now if you want, you can use this mask directly to the Luma keyer, but here I'm not going to do directly use to the Luma keyer because I want have more controls for my video. So using the merge node separately here, use the merge node, And this video, the mask out video, I'm going to use as a foreground, and this Luma here video, because we have replaced the sky, or we have changed some luminance value from there using Luma here, and now this video I'm using as a foreground, okay, as a background. This one is for foreground, and that one is for background, the Luma Kia one. And now when we will play it with the Luma Kia value, as you can see here, only the mask out part is not affected, but the other part of this, suppose the sky is affecting when I'm changing the luminance value, as you can see here. So we have control only those area which are not affected by the mask, okay. And now we have to create a nice sky replacement there, because we have already used the polygon mask here. So we do not need to worry about anything which we remove from this building or my terrace kind of thing. So we do not need to worry about that. We have to play about the luminance value here, and I think that's great here, okay, that's fine. And now we have completed this part, and now adding the things, okay. So I have here one landscape background, and I have downloaded from the Google, I don't know, from the random website you can get it, okay, don't worry about it. And same time I have also downloaded my God photo here, and I'm using that one also as a statue. But remember, this photo is just a PNG file, it is not any 3D extension, okay, remember that. And now I'm using this photo as a statue, okay. So add a resize node here, so it will make this photo in size of the 1920 into 180, okay. And the same time use transform node, because we have to change the aspect ratio, because as you can see our photo, when I do resize our photo, it will not looking some, it is looking like some stretching kind of thing, okay. So to fix that we have used the transform node here. And now we have also used this planar tracker transform node, copy from here, because we want to track this photo with our video, okay, and paste it here. And now to connect this transform to the planar tracker as an input, and now use another merge node here, 2D merge node. And this whole thing, that everything connect as a foreground, and this statue or the photo of the god here connect as a background, okay. And now as you can see something like this when you play this video, and as you can see my video that I have recorded with handheld camera, and this video and this statue is moving together. And now we'll create a nice the effect of the photo, some looking nicely and looking more realistic. So decrease the size first of all, and give some aspect ratio to look it more natural, okay. Something like that way, right. Put somewhere here, somewhere here, okay. And also change the angle, okay, perfect. And now everything is fine for me, I think. Yes, it is moving with our video, and that has a nice movement, and it is looking yes, and that is following the handheld camera because of the planar tracker. And now we have completed one part here, and now second part we are going to create a nice background plus a sky replacement, same time both, okay. So we have selected this image here, I have downloaded from the Google, I don't know, I got the random website. So import this photo as well here, because I have here as well. And now at the same thing, like resize, transform node, in case we have to transform the make it size bigger or smaller for that. And also copy this planar tracker transform node and connect it to the landscape. Control B here, and also connect this thing here as input. And now use another merge node. Okay, and this whole thing again as a foreground, and this new photo that I'm going to use as a background, or the sky replacement same time use as a background. And now everything is fine here, but what is going on here, because our photo size and the video size is not matching, so I'm using the transform node and make it a little large, and tweak it, and you'll get a nice and cool background with same time sky replacement. Okay, so I think that's great here. Go to here at the last and do tweak a little bit. Okay, that's great. So now go to hit this action, hit on play fit, sorry, and now play this video. Everything is fine with this video. We have nicely composed two photos on one video with handheld camera video. Okay, and now we can adjust like color gradings. These are just basic thing as you can do it, and using some defocus node we can make the defocusing these background kind of thing, and also make it fading. If you want, you can use the fog, so it will look more natural, and do the color grading and match the colors together, and we'll get nice output. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something new idea from here, and this was about a basic tutorial on video compositing using the Blackmagic Design Fusion Studio, or maybe Davinci Resolve Studio. Okay, so thank you so much and good night.